Hello, what's up guys? It's Robert with you again, and I'm gonna talk about variables today. Why we need variables, when we will use one, how we declare them. Well, that starts from figuring out what the variables are. Variables, at the very basic level, are some values, whether numbers, string, boolean, or something else, that have specific names attached to them. Think of variables as tiny matchboxes inside computer's memory. In cover you have a name of it, and inside you have a value. Every time we need to use a variable, we refer to its name. Computer then goes and from its collection of matchboxes finds one we need and opens it, reads the value, and puts it in the place of a variable name. So every time you write something like a plus b minus c and all divided by d, computer substitutes the names with values and then does its calculations. So we know that is a variable, but we don't know where and why and how to use it. One simple fact to understand what variables are and why we use and why they're important. Almost every code written in every possible programming language may have two or three variables in it. People use it because using variables make our life easier. Code is easier to write and read. So when you just don't need to write every time 5 or false or hello world, you write name and assign value to it, and after this you use that name every time, and when you want to change the value you just change it in one place, not in just all in the code. And that's why we use variables. So how to create variables? We'll use JavaScript for writing codes here, and we'll learn how to create variables in JavaScript. It's simple. You just write const, it's a keyword, and then the name of variable, and then equal sign, and then the value of variable. Make sure you put a semicolon at the end so computer knows that it is the end of the task. After creating variables, we can call its name to get a value. Now when we call a, we will get the value 1 for it, for example. Eventually, there are some rules for naming variables. First, it must not contain anything except letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Second, it must not begin with a digit. Though it can begin with letter, underscore, or dollar sign, it cannot begin with digit. Third, it cannot be the same as the words reserved by JavaScript. There are words that are reserved by JavaScript called keywords, and const was one of them, and others of them are undefined, while, etc. And the last rule, variables are case sensitive, which means this and this with uppercase letter T are not the same variable and can contain different values. So guys, thanks for watching. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up if you like the video, and comment your thoughts below. Robert was with you, and I will see you guys later.